Hi, I'm Lindsay, and I like finding ways to make content creation easier for busy moms and entrepreneurs who don't want to be glued to the camera 24/7. Today, I want to talk about an AI course that I took a while back that has really completely changed how I create. And it's not because it's like the highest commission affiliate course I've ever seen, which it is, but because it's genuinely made my life easier. So, as a mom, time is everything. And I love creating, but honestly, AI reminds me of The Sims, except instead of making a character, for fun, you're creating this hyper realistic version of yourself that can actually help you and make content. So I took this course because I wanted to create content without having to show up on camera every second and still make it feel like me. So it's fun, it's creative, and it saves me hours. I'm going to walk you through the entire course and just show you what it looks like and everything inside of it, so you can make a decision if you would want to buy this. It's called Face Forward AI. And also, I just want to jot down that I am pregnant and I have an 18-month-old and I am a wife and I have a lot to do. So my time is very limited. And I loved seeing the hyper realistic scenes of what the creator of this course was making. And I was like, I need to know. Along with that, the course is only $140. I have never seen a course that provides this much value for only $140. So it tells me that the owner who made this course is not greedy. She wants to share this, and she's giving away 70% commission on the course too. So she obviously just loves to create and wants to share it with other moms to make our lives easier too. It's wild because this course could easily be over $500. The actual tech geniuses in this course, because I think she just started collaborating with other people, they're just so far ahead of the trends. And the best part is that they constantly update it. So I took this course a few months ago and I just logged into it the other day, and there's new lessons, and they have broken it down to an easier process, because when I first took this course, it was confusing, and not confusing, but there was a lot more steps, and now they've broken it down to 3 steps and have made it much easier, especially for beginners. So there's new, easier material for beginners, and they make sure that you're always learning like the latest ways to use AI, which is awesome. I've seen a lot of AI or digital product courses floating around, but this one stands out because 1, the creators actually know what they're doing and they're always improving the course. 2, bigger programs like Digital Wealth Academy and I think Sales Social Girl, they're literally collaborating with them now, which says a lot. It means this course provided so much value that they want her, the owner of this course, into their course. And 3, it's designed for moms and creators like me who want flexibility and not burn out all the time from trying to show up on camera. Because obviously, today, I would not be showing up on a reel or anything like that talking, even though people appreciate more hyper real stuff. It's just, I don't like to show up in a hoodie and my hair up all the time. You know what I mean? So just to be clear, I'm not trying to sell you on this. This is a review, not a pitch. Okay, so I'm just going to go through this. My favorite part about this course is creating a version of myself that looks better than most people's AI twins. It's so fun. I get to make scenes and videos and content that just still feels like me, just without the setup, the makeup, the lighting stress. It's creative, it's techie, and it's exactly my kind of hobby. And again, the price point shocked me. $140 for this level of content. It just tells me that, they're not greedy and they could easily charge triple the amount of this. And if you're someone who doesn't have a product yet, it's a bonus because they offer 70% affiliate commission. So that's about $120 a sale. So even if you just share it because you love it, it can pay for itself fast. I've noticed since taking this course and using AI more, my Instagram content actually performs better and I feel way less drained. I make all of my new AIs at the end of the night, and I have tons for the entire month because I've made so many of them. I can't slow down. That's how easy it is. I don't need to film every single day or rely on a perfect lighting. I can still, be creative. I can stay present with my family, and I can build something, that feels like me. So I'm going to take you through this course and just show you what it looks like. When you sign up, you'll be granted into the school academy for it. And obviously you'll start here. When you start here, you'll have tons of little videos on the side. mood board training. If you go back to the classroom, here's your affiliate lounge, getting started, setting up your links, selling on social media, promotional materials, and listing it as your own product, which I don't do. Just easier the way that I do it. Here are some new lessons. Step 1, creating your twin. Step 2, creating images and videos from text prompts. And step 3, making your twin talk. Wow. Yeah, there's a lot of information in here. Faceless AI avatars. And yeah, step 2 and step 3, making your twin talk, creating images, animating for lip sync, CapCut. And then we have Instagram strategies. Oh, Laura Sales social. That's the girl that she is collaborating with. Course creation with AI, which I have not watched yet, but holy crap, because here's another collaborator. I was watching a video the other day and the whole thing was an AI speaker. So the AI course creation. So if you were interested in making an entire course, you can literally make a course never showing your face. And then there's advanced platforms, which I haven't really watched yet, and creating your AI twin or avatar. This is probably what was there the first time when I was, there's just so much in here. And then they have it in Spanish, and I think they also have it in French. So the community is really cool. Katie Cross is the owner. She is doing a contest now. Whoever can sell the most between now and November 15th will get an extra prize. I think it's a cash prize. And then she has a welcome post, and then how to get your affiliate link. Like anything that you want to ask, you can ask in here. You can go to prompts. Here's a prompt right there. People are always talking about how they made their first video or endless possibilities, creating it in less than 5 minutes. I just want to say how addicted I am. I just made my first sale. 100 followers in 7 days. Talking AI twin. Like this stuff is just so cool. My last 4 reels have reached over 10K views. My new favorite obsession. My second sale in 4 days. And these are very recent. This was just in July, 17 days ago, 14 days ago. And let's see. Yeah, everyone's just like uploading their AI twin, which is just awesome. So you can see people just love creating this. And then she created a UGC video on her TikTok shop. That's actually really cool. I wonder if I can click into it. Wow, that is so good. So this person has made 4,500 selling FFAI in the Selly bundle. She has sold 26. Look at these beautiful. Oh, here's a guy. I'm loving a twin in a day. Wow. Look how realistic that looks. ASMR AI. That is awesome. So people have all these like different niches. Oh, she made like a little movie clip. Look at that. Okay. Small victories. I've been posting for 17 days with my AI twin. Today I got my first sale. Yeah. So obviously people love this course. And I just wanted to show you that today because it has changed my life for only $140. So I'll link it below. I've noticed since taking this course and using AI more that my Instagram content, it definitely performs better. I'm going to link the course in the description below if you want to check it out. Like I said, not trying to convince you. I just know how much time it has saved me. And it might do the same for you. So if you're also trying to find easier ways to create content, if you're a busy mom like me or an entrepreneur, or you have another job and you're just trying to start a side hustle, make sure to subscribe and like this video because I give more reviews for other courses and I try to find ways to make creating content easy and fun using AI, digital products, and Canva. And I'll be sharing more tools that make my life easier and creativity fun again. So I will see you on the next video.